Okay, welcome back student. Now here in theorem 5, the theorem is any line parallel to parallel sides of a trapezium divides the non-parallel sides proportionally. Means here it is given that we have a trapezium, suppose A, B, C, D, and it is given that we have a line EF which is parallel to these two parallel sides. Means in trapezium we know that AB and CD are parallel to each other, and it is given that EF is parallel to these two parallel sides. Now we have to prove that this third side will divide these two non-parallel sides in equal ratio. Means we have to prove that DE by EA equals to CF by FB. So see, here it is given that EF is parallel to AB as well as EF is parallel to DC, and we have to prove that DE by EA equals to CF by FB. So for that I am just joining this CA. Now see, in triangle ADC, since EO is parallel to CD. See, if EF is parallel to CD, then EO will be also parallel. अगर दो लाइन पैरेलल हो तो उनके पार्ट्स भी पैरेलल होते हैं. तो EO is parallel. EO is a part of EF. So since EF is parallel to CD, it means EO will be also parallel to CD. So since EO and CD are parallel, we can say that DE by EA equals to CO by OA. This is equation 1. And in triangle ACB, since OF is parallel to AB, so we can say CO by OA equals to CF by FB. This is equation 2. Now again from equation 1 and 2, see, CO by OA is common in both the equations. So DE by EA equals to CF by FB. Proved. Okay. So now let us discuss the last result on BPT, that is theorem 6. Okay. Now see, theorem 6 is, if three or more parallel lines are intersected by two transversals, we have to prove that the intercept made by them on transversal are proportional. It means when we have three parallel lines or more than three parallel lines, suppose these three are the parallel lines L, M and N, and two transversals T1 and T2 are intersecting them, then they will make equal intercept on the parallel lines. Means we have to prove that suppose this A, B, C, D, E, F. We have to prove this AB by BC equals to DE by EF. This also you have done in standard 9. Okay. So here it is given that a line L is parallel to M is parallel to N. To prove AB by BC is equals to DE by EF. We have to prove AB by BC equals to DE by EF. So for that again I am doing one construction. I am drawing a line AG which is parallel to DF. Okay. Construction AG parallel to DF. Suppose this is point 10. Now see, dear students, since this line AG and DF is parallel as well as this L and M is parallel, so can we say that AMED is a parallelogram as well as MGFE is also a parallelogram? Since AD is parallel to ME and AM is parallel to D. देखिए ये पूरा लाइन अगर पैरेलल है तो ये AD और ME भी पैरेलल होगा, और ये अगर इसके पैरेलल है तो ये AM और DE भी पैरेलल होगा. It implies that AMED is a parallelogram. So since it is a parallelogram, we can say AM equals to DE, because we know that that when opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. In same way, similarly, MEFG is a parallelogram. It implies that MG equals to EF. Means this is also equal to this. Okay. Now, see, in triangle ACG, BM is parallel to CG. In this triangle, this BM and CG are parallel. So, AB by BC equals to AM by MG. It implies that AB by BC equals to, in place of AM, I can write DE, because right now we have proved that these two are equal, and in place of MG we can write EF. So hence proved that AB by BC equals to DE by EF. So these 6 theorems are based on the BPT theorem that you can now use it to solve the exercise problems. Thank you.